Hi, my YouTube family members. I hope you're all doing fine. I'm fine. For my subscribers, my name's Terry, and thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe, like, share, and comment. Guys, I know I haven't posted anything for the past like 2 weeks. I'm really sorry. I was a bit busy, but I'm back. And in today's video, we are going to check on some things that I have bought for my home. And I hope someone out there will learn something and someone out there will get motivated. So kindly don't forget to subscribe, to like, to share, and to comment. And guys, welcome again to my channel. So the first thing that I got, I have a number of things. Some I got from my local market, the others I got from supermarket, and the others I got at River Road town. And I'll start with the ones that I bought at River Road. The ones that I got from River Road are the flowers, the artificial flowers. Sorry guys. The first thing that I got was this one. How does it look, guys? Inakaje? I hope it looks nice. I got it for 150 at River Road. The next thing that I got was this big one. How does it look? Kindly comment down there how you see it, guys. This one I got it for 300. Walikuwa na za 250 na walikuwa na hii ya 300, but hii ya 300 guys, simnaona imejaa. That's why I chose the 300 one. I've seen them from where I come from, as in Akakatown Kahome, and the people selling them wanauza 450. That's why I went to town. And yeah guys, ni 300 bob e. The other thing that I got, kuna coins for my son. Let me first remove them. Was these dining flowers. I hope you can see them, guys. How does it look? So the vase, this vase, hii ni vase ya mbao. Ni vase ya mbao na inatoka rangi. I think I'm going to repaint it. I got it for 300 bob. So no ni mbao. I got it for 300 bob. I really like it. I don't know why. The flowers, each ka flower hivi venye iko was 100 bob, so I got three was 100 bob. So ikikuwa hivi yote it went for 600 bob. Ikikuwa hivyo. I'm using it for my dining as a centerpiece. Inaitangwa centerpiece ya kitu kama hiyo. Ni centerpiece yangu ya dining table. Yeah, I think I only got those three from River Road. I'm going to put the number of the lady who sold them to me on the description area. The other thing that I got, let me show you guys the things that I bought from supermarket. Oh, this thing ni kama inaitangwa nini? Ni photo what? Hiyo nimekuwa nikitafuta for these pictures. This is me and my two sons. I got it for, ilikuwa how much? Sijui 170. I think 170 at Naivas supermarket. That's where I got this one from. I also needed this for my kitchen. Ya mchele, ya waruza chipo. That's why I got this one. I got it from Naivas. Yes, Naivas Westlands. It went for 345 bob. I never thought it was that expensive. As in inakaa so cheap. Sindio guys? But it went for 345. Right? That's expensive. The other thing that I needed ni kitu ya kuweka hizi zinaitwa nini, spaghetti. I know this is not the right thing for putting spaghettis, but the other one was so expensive and I didn't have that money to buy it, so I went for this one. This one I bought it for 105, still from Naivas Westlands, and I love it. Haitoshei poa, but inabidi nakatanisha, but I love it guys. As in it's doing better for me. Mi sioni kikuwa mbaya. So I know it's supposed to be inafaa kuwa mrefu ndio zinatoshea kama zimesimama. But nifanye aje. I love it. I got it for 105. Guys, 105. Hiyo ingine ilikuwa 500 and something at Carrefour. That's why niliona siwezi. The other thing I got, guys, is this one for my plates. Nimeitafuta hii kitu and imagine I got it from hizi nini shops za home. This one. I had seen it at Carrefour and it was going for 670 something. Ilikuwa almost 700 and I decided I'm not going to buy from Carrefour. Nilikuwa niende Kamukunji. But nikitembea tu kwa mtaa, I got it and I got it for 300 bob. Na exact thing was going for 6, ilikuwa almost 700 and I got it for 300 bob from where I come from. I thank God anyways. It's serving me well. Juu for the past like a month, plates zangu zimevunjika zenye situmiangi. So mi nikasema juu ya kuziekanilia juu sizitumiangi. Nikasema let me try this one nione kama itaniserve, and it's for the time hiyo time kidogo nimeitumia, it's serving me well. I can't complain and I love it so much. So guys, that's all that I got for you today. I hope someone out there amesaidika, and maybe someone alikuwa anasema sasa nitatoa wapi hizo flowers and all that. Yeah, that's where I got them, at River Road. And the rest, wale wakutaka vitu za kusieve, vitu za kuweka spaghetti, wanaona zenye za supermarket they are too expensive, zile za glass, you can use that one. So guys, thank you so much for listening and for watching, and I hope guys you won't forget to like, to share, to comment, and mostly to subscribe. Kindly guys, subscribe, and God will bless you. I don't have anything else to say, so bye guys, and have a wonderful time. I don't know at what time you guys you'll be watching my video, so have a nice time and enjoy my video. Don't forget guys to kindly subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share with your friends, and don't forget to comment. And that's all I had for you today.